Hello mga ka-travel! This is Madoka of Global Pinoy Travel and Tours. Another day, another travel, and another tour package po tayo. So, sino naman ang gustong mag-tour sa China? Let's go to China with our Macau, Chican Canton, Zhongshan, Shuhai Tour Package. We have here the hot sales ng $229 per pax. So, Manila to Macau ang route po nito for 5 days and 4 nights and with airfare included. And ang mga travel dates po natin ay mag-start from January ng 2026 up to April. So, nandyan po sa poster yung mga dates na pwede nating pagpipilian. And of course, with complete itinerary na po yan from day 1 up to day 5. So, marami na po tayong manilibutan sa Macau. So, sa mga interested po on this Macau tour package, for inclusions and exclusions na rin po, please do message me directly on my FB Messenger for me to guide you on your next travel destination. And with that, God bless po sa ating lahat.